evening, folks. Bobby Two Pops Breaks here on Friday the 13th of May. We're breaking 5-box full-size helmets. Randomed up our... Dang it, lost track here tonight. Let me see. Forgot how many boxes we got left. Randomed up our 13 remaining boxes. 45 is what we got. Random team sales on your left. We have already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized, y'all. Gave everybody a chance to trade. Nobody really trade no. Considering we're down to so few boxes here, just gonna check chats one last time. Alright guys, here we go. Well, oh no, it's not what I thought it was. Well, not a bad hit, folks. We can get a damn thing out of the box. There we go. Bam. Going to be the Chase Young Washington Commanders helmet, guys. Bam. She's a Flash Authentic Phonetics hologram. Also has the yellow visor on it, folks. Going to the Washington spot. Piece of plastic on there. Come on, man. But Chase Young, Flash Authentic with the visor for the Commanders. Wow, well, Jace, man. Jace stepped into the room and took one of the helmets there, folks. And Jace, another one who had a slow start in the room, but has been hitting pretty good lately there, guys. When he does stop in, hasn't been in a while, but was on a bit of a roll there for a while. Going to be Chase Young going to Jace. Jeff taking that. That is a Jace. I actually thought that was the LT. I thought we had hit Giants back to back there. Alright, well, we're going to pull one of Jace's out. And I thought that was the LT flash when I first opened it. We got 7, folks. This is your qualifier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Pete and Pack going to be the qualifiers on that one, guys. 73-74. That leaves us with 12 boxes left in the series, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bob at Two Pops Breaks.